What's the meaning of castor? Castor. Castor.
Castor. Castor. The word castor refers to a substance extracted from the glands of beavers, which is used in perfumes and medicines. Castoreum is known for its strong, musky odor and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine as an analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent. It is also sometimes used in the food industry as a flavoring ingredient. Overall, castor has a unique and powerful aroma that has made it a sought-after ingredient in a range of products throughout history.